To stay competitive in shipping today, you need to do more. Report emissions. Demonstrate cybersecurity. Optimize machinery. Enhance safety. Stay compliant. And the more complex the maritime industry becomes, the more you need great support. That's why at DNV we make sure you have expertise on hand and tools at your fingertips. Stay ahead tools and expertise to turn complex planning into insights that keep you ahead. Compliant operations tools and expertise to turn compliance challenges into confident decisions. Quick troubleshooting tools and expertise to turn urgent questions into always-on solutions. Smart and easy tools and expertise to turn time-consuming tasks into easy processes. Stay ahead. Compliant operations, quick troubleshooting, smart and easy. Fleet in service with DNV. Expertise on hand and tools at your fingertips.